Hey, preseason football's here, and at our house, that means Angela and I are going to be eating hot wings. Now, I already told you that we're not strictly keto anymore, but we don't eat a lot of extra carbs either. So this is a low carb version that isn't full of unhealthy fats and stuff, and it's just not as inflammatory as a lot of the stuff you're going to get at a bar, and it's cheaper. So I'm going to show you how we make them. For the rest of this video, I'm just going to take some pictures and video, and I'll voice over it later. This is my very first video, so please be kind. Please. Thanks, guys. Well, here's the wings I bought. You see it's a pretty big package. I'm planning on making these and eating them all week. Now I'm drying off these wings. The more dry I get them, the more crispy the skin's going to be. So I'm just going to oven bake these. And to get it crispy to them, I'm going to put some olive oil on it. Then I'm going to put cayenne, black pepper, salt, olive oil. That's simple. Now, you can get crispier skin if you have baking soda, and I've tried it. But you can taste the baking soda. It's just not my thing. Now that olive oil I just dumped on, that's about twice as much as I would normally dump on. Doing this with a camera in one hand is more difficult than I expected. I'll have to rethink that. Anyway, so salt, pepper, cayenne, lots of cayenne. I like a little bite in my wings, but you need to experiment yourself. And I'm not afraid of salt in this house, so we salt them up pretty good. Now I want to really emphasize, use good oil, use olive oil or avocado oil. Canola oil is so ultra processed and it's just inflammatory. It makes you feel older. And we don't want to do that. We're bold, not old. And the main advantage of these over the stuff we're going to get in the bars, well, they're not floured, so we're not having those carbs, and they're not fried in bad oil that has been overheated and reused again and again and again and again. Don't get me wrong, if I go to a bar, I'm going to eat wings. I just know that I'm going to feel not great the next day. My stomach's going to be a little upset, and I'm going to, well, be a little achier. Okay, now I'm putting these into a big commercial sheet pan. We do have a state licensed kitchen in our house. We cook for a living, so we have bigger bowls and pans you might have in your house, but you can scale this to your needs. I just try to spread these bad boys out, and I'm going to throw them in the oven at 400 degrees for about 40 minutes. At 40 minutes, I'm going to open it up. I'm going to stick a butter knife in the biggest, fattest one I can see and make sure there's no pink juice coming out and make sure that the skin is where I want it to be. Okay, now this is my homemade sour cream. There's sour cream, avocado mayo. I've taken some of the sour cream out of there. I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of that avocado mayo in there. Then I'm going to add my dill, weed, garlic, and salt and pepper. You're not going to find a commercial ranch dressing that doesn't have some amount of seed oil in it, which we just believe is incredibly inflammatory. I think I found one, but the flavor just wasn't very good. This is a really great ranch dressing, and you're going to love it. See, I taste it here. Ooh, pretty good, but not enough flavor. So more salt, more dill weed. We're big on flavor here. After all, we're living bold, right? We need flavor in our food. So stir it up, taste it. Oh, that's good. Okay. Well, now I have to label it because we do have a commercial kitchen here. What's in there and the date it was. Okay. It's time to check these bad boys and see if they're done. Got my butter knife there. I'm sticking it in the nice big fat ones I'm seeing. Nice and tender, breaks open. No pink juices coming out. Those are good. I could toss them in for a few more minutes, but I'm ready to eat. Pro tip here, put some hot pads underneath the back of this pan. Let all of that oil go down to the bottom and let the wings not swim in that oil before I eat them. I'm going to let these set here for a few minutes just like I would a good steak because these are really good and they deserve to be enjoyed at their best. And if we let them set for a few minutes, not only are they easier to eat, they're better. So we'll just let those set and we'll dish us up some plates. I'll show you what we dished up. Here's Angela's. Such a petite little pile of wings there. And here's my big old fat pile of wings. And I guess you can see my drink in the background there too. That's 0 carbs too. Okay, every one of these videos that I see on YouTube ends with a bite. So I guess I got to take a bite, and we'll see how good these things are. There's my ranch dressing. Once again, super simple. That's sour cream, avocado mayonnaise, dill weed, salt, and pepper. That is so good. It'll last easily a week. Okay, here's the bite. Oh, tender. Good. Okay, that is football food that's healthy for you. Okay, friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, we're living bold here. Please like this video, follow this channel. Let's see if we can get a little YouTube channel going. Thanks for the kindness.